Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put apps on full screen on HP ENVY X360. To do it, just open any app that you want to put in full screen. I'm gonna open my browser, then just click on the square button and it's maximized. Now to go out of the full screen you need to just click on it again, but I don't know why I can't go out of it, but I was able to just drag it. So if you cannot exit full screen, which I don't understand why, you can just drag that top bar, and this is how it works. You can also drag it up. I'll click on maximize. Doesn't work, okay, but yeah, as I scroll it all the way up, it also goes into the full screen mode. And you can also, I think it's mostly available within browsers. If you are on any website, let's go to HardReset.Info. Then on this website or any other website, you may go into full screen by clicking on the F11 button. So as I click on the F11 on my keyboard, but depending on your setup, you may need to either click on F11 or Fn plus F11. It'll get to the full screen, like actual full screen, without the top bar and stuff. So this is how it works. And to exit it, just click on escape, or if it doesn't work, then click on F11 again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.